Welcome, friend. My name is Raj Barge. I am co-director, founder of Raj Computer Education. The purpose of this channel is to provide education to people so they can get job and get placed into IT field. Let's start. Today we'll be learning a basic command which is called as array. It's a basically array. So when it comes to array, what is array? Array is a group of similar data. Now that can be into different format. I can do my array into rectangle format as well as polar format. That means you can create array objects in two ways: rectangle format and polyarray format. And for that you have to first select the object and then it works. So how to do? It's very simple. I go to AutoCAD. I save this first existing file, which is done by my student. I close this. I open new file. I choose general AutoCAD file. I'm getting new file. Fine. I'm going to go with array first. So suppose this is my circle, and I draw some circle. I want to draw a circle at this position. That is what 15 comma 20. So in the circle is asking for center. That is 15 comma 20, and I'm going for radius. It's 5. So this is my circle. I'm to zoom this. Fine. Now if I want to have similar circles 1, 2, 3, 4 in rectangle format. That means all the circles which should be distance of 100 unit from one far away from 100 unit and 100 unit in this zero angle and 250 units in this, that is 270 angle, that is downwards. So what I can do, I can just go into this and I can choose array command. It says select the object you want to go with an array command. Then there it is showing you what kind of array you require: rectangle, path, or polar. I prefer going for rectangle. So I say R. Okay. So it is saying you want to go for what? You want to go with what? Association, grid, count, column, row, column, and so on. So I want to go with columns. It is saying 4 column. I say no. I want 10 columns. Distance from the column, the distance between two column. I said it's 100. You want to select the gap. No, I want to exit. Okay. So this is my array. Now if I zoom this out and zoom all, it shows me everything into array format. Yeah, this is the power of array. And to erase this all has gone. So here is also an array command. Fine, you want to go with the same thing. See what I'm going to do. I'm to go with the better option. So first I draw something. I draw this circle here. Let be of this radius of 5. So it is that. And to go and to do this way, I am to plant row. So I'll be going with array. I go into modify. I say array. I click on this array. That is first rectangle array. It should show me a small dialog box there. It selects me the command. Enter. You can choose columns, types, rows, and so on. So I choose rectangle as a type. How many columns I want? I want columns. I want 5 columns. This distance between two columns, that is 100. Fine. So it is showing me direction. It is saying row. How many rows I want? I don't want 3 rows. I want 5 rows. So the distance between these 5 rows is 250. So total it shows. Fine. This is a level you are going to work with. You can just say close this array. So that is done. So when you say zoom, it shows an array. Zoom all. Got it? So distance between this and this is 100. So distance between this and this location is what? 250. Now this is normally taken for excavation work. If you are creating building, in that building you are going to you want to make a kadda. You have to make a kadda, fine, for excavation purpose. Then that is you want to dig the mud out of it and put a pillar there. Then we prefer using what? We prefer using array, and the same distance we keep. That is the basic purpose here. So this is all. Just try doing this. Fine. The another way it can be also in circular nature also. So let's try how it is into circular in nature and how it is going to be operated. So what we are going to do, we are going to just say erase all. Now what I do, I try to draw some circle here. This is my center, and I'm taking circle of approximately 500. Where is that? Now what happened? Now I'm drawing something here. Suppose I'm drawing rectangle here. I'm drawing rectangle here. I'm drawing rectangle here. So I'll draw a rectangle here. The rectangle is on my circle now. Fine. Now again I can go into modify and choose command which helps me to go for an array. I choose this array. I click on this array option. So it says you want to work with which kind of array? Array. It says select the object. So I selected the object. Enter. What rect? I want to go for poly. Then it is asking for center point. So I'm saying this is my center point. I'm just selecting it by clicking. It's saying what rotation you want. So it is showing C rotation here. Fine. Here you can choose parameters. This is what it is saying. I'm putting 6 elements. I say no. I want 9. Distance between two is what? So it automatically reduces to 40. That is done. Row, I want only one row. Fine. You want to put level in between? No, I don't want to put in level between. That is done. Close the array. So see, it is putting all 9 elements here. And this is done automatically. Fine. So you can consider this as a round table and I can put 9 chairs next to it. That can be also done. Fine. You want to move this chair out, you can again say your favorite command is offset. It says specify the distance. So I'll be saying distance is what? 500, I said. Yeah. So it will be making 600. It says select the object. I don't know, from this or into offset. It's saying you cannot select this object. So I selected this circle and offset inside. Select the object. Enter. It's gone. See, it's not working. Try it again. It's what? Offset. Using distance, I say only 10 distance. I prefer like saying 50 distance. I selected the object. Press enter. I chosen the point inside. Specify opposite to the corner. Something is around 50. Selected object to offset. Specify point on side of the offset. Yeah. So now I can remove this and I can take everything into the center. Fine. This is all, friends. You can try using array in rectangle format as well as into polar format, that is round format. ठीक है